Of course, the safest place for your money is in the bank. But how about home? Can you keep it safe there? In this video, we will show you a few perfect hiding spots for your cash to keep it safe. Here's how to hide cash in a dish cleaning sponge. On the side, make a little cut with a knife, and then put your cash inside. Place it in your bathroom or wherever, but be careful and don't confuse the sponges. Don't feel like cleaning? Enhance your motivation with this simple hack. Here's how. First, fold your precious money and put it inside the scoop handle, just like so. When you're done, just put it back on. Don't even try cleaning the house now. Take a look here. First, you need to unroll the toilet paper and then place the money on the inside part of the roll, one after another, just like shown on the video. After you do this, it is now double the treasure. If you were the only one in the house who would ever open a sewing box, there is a perfect hack for you. Take your banknote and roll it up just like that, so it can fit inside our secret spot. Then, stick your money right inside the thread coil. Now, your cash is safe, even in plain sight in front of your friends or family. If you have a small plastic lid laying around your house, it may just be perfect for this hack. Take your money and fold it a few times over so it fits inside. You can even go ahead and throw in some jewelry. But first, make sure to close it well. And then you can proceed to bury it in a jar of rice, like so. But you need to remember, the rice needs to completely cover the lid so that no one will ever find it. Unless they're coming over to eat some rice, in which case, might hide it in some beans. An ideal hiding tool right on your table. Remove the bottom cover of the hole puncher and fold your cash so that it fits perfectly. It will still work just fine. Keep punching the holes and don't even worry about your money. Lastly, here we have a regular box of staples from a cabinet or your little bank. Fold the banknote a couple of times over and then hide your Franklins right in that box. See? Nice and easy. Who would even go to check there? Certainly not I. Seems like a really safe spot, don't you think?